Alright, welcome to Rough Fish Music. I'm gonna try my first video down in this new layout and using the Marshall Studio 15 because I'm thinking about selling it, and maybe I'll use this for an infomercial some night. So just plugged in with no effects or anything. It's a Marshall, and I think I got to run it through the cabinet down below. All this technical stuff, it's hard to keep up with. But here's one called Sunday Painter Sunday. If I screw it up, I'm going to keep going. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Feels like a cobalt blue, red oxide day. There ain't no kind to see on a Sunday Painter Sunday. Got my box of paints, I got my femme fatale. She might be doing me harm, but you could never tell. The sunset blends into the total darkness, break out the darkest shades until it's total darkness. Put them away for another 7 days till next Sunday Painter Sunday. Sunday Painter Sunday. Feels like a dream, the calendar's on a holiday. Feels so free to believe what you see anyway. You can keep it to yourself or go out to the community and put it down and paint for the future world to see. Sunset blends into the total darkness, break out the dark shades until it's total darkness. Put it away for another 7 days and next Sunday Painter Sunday. Sunday Painter Sunday. Sunday Painter Sunday. Sunday Painter Sunday. Johnny Prince comes up to me. I was in mind for what I think I see, and I'm just not wouldn't give it up, but don't think so. Laying in the Hollywood's with you white and chubby. Come up the stairs to my office Friday. Check out my inside like dreams tonight, and say, leave the Cadillac running. This looks like a gold mine. The sunset blends into the total darkness, break out the darkest shades until it's total darkness, and put it away for another 7 days until the next Sunday Painter Sunday. Sunday Painter Sunday. Sunday Painter Sunday. Sunday Painter Sunday. Alright, and I want to get my plug in for this beautiful Marshall amp here, purchased at New Capay in Minneapolis in the mid to late 80s. 15 watts. I thought, well, this will do for a while, but I used it with my band Carp 18 like on the following stages: the 400 bar, 7th Street entry, the Caboose, the 24 bar, Mazelax, Uptown, and then this was our this was the official amp of Carp 18 of Russian Racehorse and Bug Rump. So you know how valuable that is in this world here. Let's see if that looks good on camera. Yeah. So anyway, call XV111 and order this Marshall Studio 15. It's a legendary amp. There was only 500 made, and even the guy from Jethro Tull uses one. That's what every time I look it up on the internet, that's what they say. So call X511 on your digital phone, and that'll connect you with the Carp 18 operator, and if they're still alive, they'll be happy to help you. So thank you very much. Thank you.